and dining area with a beautiful, so here you can check out, this is an open kitchen concept. Over here you can see your master bedroom. The uniqueness starts from the flooring, that is. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Birla Evara, which is located in Sarjapur Road in Bangalore, a project developed by Birla Estate. And today we are here to check out the 3.5 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office of the project. We'll be getting all the details and information. And about the land parcel is here itself, where the marketing office is built on. And just behind the marketing office where the construction work is going on. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where you are connected directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with developer, because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of this beautiful miniature. So this project is being constructed on total 28.5 acres of land parcel with 13 towers in all, with 2 basement ground plus 25 and 27 floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you luxurious amenities like of garden area, the clubhouse, kids play area, skywalk, football ground. Here is again the jogging track, swimming pool and many more. Now about the location part. So this project is located in Gattahalli, Muneshwara layout in Sarjapur, Bangalore. And now let me tell you that this is the internal road of the project, and this road will connect you towards Gopal Krishna Adiga Road. Now about the further connectivity of the project. So you can connect to Sarjapur Road in just 3.5 kilometers. Wipro Koretti is 3.6 kilometers away, and RGA Tech Park is 4 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now let's have a look at your 3.5 BHK sample flat of 2060 square feet super built up area, and here we start. Once you enter, you can check out here they are giving you the digital door lock for your security purpose, and this is your foyer area for your privacy. Once you enter, you can check out this living and dining area with a beautiful vibrant interior work done. And you can check out, here is your balcony, the deck area which is attached to your living and dining area with anti-skid tiles, iron railing, and this balcony is 3-side covered. Now, let me show you the dining area which is just behind the living area. So this is how you can set your dining table in front of your kitchen area. So here you can check out, this is an open kitchen concept. Over here you can also add up a serving platform like this with the platforms, the cabinets, and with the kitchen area you can find out this is your utility area which is divided with the tile drop to avoid the water spillage. And now a window. The window is provided for ventilation and lighting purpose in your kitchen area. Now moving towards your bedroom. So your bedroom number 1 is over this side. Once you move inside your bedroom, you can check out the beautiful work done over here with the window is provided for ventilation and lighting purpose, the wardrobe space, and just beside the wardrobe space is your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's move further towards your another bedroom areas. So walking through your living and dining area. Over this side is your 0.5 room which is just near the entrance. So this is the room which you can use in a multi-purpose way. You can add up a home office or is the maid's room which comes with a window and a separate access as well. And now again, here is your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now other rooms are over this side. So walking through your passage area, over here comes your bedroom number 2. That is the kids' bedroom. So you can check out the beautiful bedroom over here with a bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Even they have added up a study table, and this side is your wardrobe space. And this bedroom is attached to the washroom as well with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now moving towards your master bedroom, but before that let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. Now let's move further. So over this side is your powder room. So this is your powder room with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. And now over this side starts your master bedroom. The uniqueness starts from the flooring, that is wooden finishing flooring, the bed area, and this bedroom is attached to a little deck. So this is a deck area with anti-skid tiles and iron railing as well. From here you can enjoy a beautiful scenic view by having a tea or a coffee. Now about the wardrobe spaces over this side. Now about the washroom area, which is over this side. So attached washroom over this side, again with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And this washroom is much more spacious. Now as you all know, we are here at Birla Estate project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. Additionally, all the information of the project is given in the I button. You do not have to roam here and there. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.